So today is a great day. I'm getting ready to go over to the townhouse, 8 o'clock in the morning, and we're gonna check out how far along we are. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. And then there was light and a fan. Very cool. Yay, 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 we're coming along. And then there we have the master's fan. This is gorgeous. I love it. Lovely. So my contractors are here and they can't believe that I am so smart.
That is insane. That is the greatest invention I've ever seen in my life. For a bathroom. That is the greatest thing I've ever seen.
They did a great job. Wow. So whoever's gonna be in this bathroom is gonna be dancing in that shower. The floors are finished, baseboards aren't done yet, and we're just getting ready to put in the van. Buddy, guess where I am? So today I'm looking for lighting. So look how gorgeous everything is. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. So here we are at Progressive Lighting, and lighting has truly become an art. Gorgeous stuff. Your lighting can either make or break a room. And look at this. It's like a butterfly. It's a piece of art. It hangs over your dining room table. Quite so pretty. You're really cool with that.